Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some operational strategies trivia. Which method improves production efficiency? Is it A, craftsman approach, B, batch production, C, mass production, or D, lean manufacturing? The correct answer is D, lean manufacturing. Which analysis evaluates profit potential? Is it A, break-even analysis, B, SWOT analysis, C, market research, or D, cost-benefit analysis? The correct answer is D, cost-benefit analysis. What strategy focuses on customer retention? Is it A, social media marketing, B, sales forecasting, C, product development, or D, customer relationship management? The correct answer is D, customer relationship management. Which framework is used for performance measurement? Is it A, Six Sigma, B, SWOT analysis, C, KPI dashboard, or D, balanced scorecard? The correct answer is D, balanced scorecard. Which strategy involves minimizing inventory levels? Is it A, just-in-time, B, supply chain expansion, C, inventory escalation, or D, inventory optimization? The correct answer is D, inventory optimization. What management approach prioritizes employee involvement? Is it A, scientific management, B, authoritarian management, C, transactional leadership, or D, total quality management? The correct answer is D, total quality management. Which method identifies key factors in performance? Is it A, SWOT analysis, B, lean methodology, C, Six Sigma, or D, pest analysis? The correct answer is C, Six Sigma. What program ensures compliance with standards? Is it A, quality assurance, B, customer feedback, C, market analysis, or D, regulatory oversight? The correct answer is A, quality assurance. Which strategy emphasizes rapid response to market changes? Is it A, lean manufacturing, B, waterfall approach, C, agile management, or D, Six Sigma? The correct answer is C, agile management. What system integrates planning and control? Is it A, financial accounting, B, enterprise resource planning, C, customer relationship management, or D, supply chain management? The correct answer is B, enterprise resource planning. Which theory emphasizes employee motivation related to completion? Is it A, theory X and Y, B, Hertzberg's two-factor, C, McGregor's self-actualization, or D, Maslow's hierarchy? The correct answer is A, theory X and Y. What concept involves breaking down larger projects? Is it A, critical path, B, work breakdown structure, C, linear programming, or D, Gantt chart? The correct answer is B, work breakdown structure. Which strategy focuses on digitizing operations? Is it A, data analysis, B, operational efficiency, C, legacy systems, or D, digital transformation? The correct answer is D, digital transformation. What operational technique analyzes competitors? Is it A, cost-benefit analysis, B, benchmarking, C, market share, or D, SWOT analysis? The correct answer is B, benchmarking. Which model improves decision-making processes? Is it A, random selection, B, market segmentation, C, decision tree analysis, or D, linear regression? The correct answer is C, decision tree analysis. Which assessment measures operational efficiency? Is it A, quality control, B, operational audit, C, performance review, or D, financial audit? The correct answer is B, operational audit. What term refers to a company's core capabilities? Is it A, strategic goals, B, core competencies, C, market trends, or D, key resources? The correct answer is B, core competencies. What tool helps visualize project timelines? Is it A, line graph, B, Kanban board, C, Gantt chart, or D, pie chart? The correct answer is C, Gantt chart. Which concept supports justifying project investments? Is it A, risk assessment, B, return on investment, C, total project cost, or D, net present value? The correct answer is B, return on investment. What strategy aims at cross-functional teamwork? Is it A, traditional hierarchy, B, competitive strategy, C, collaborative strategy, or D, isolationist approach? The correct answer is C, collaborative strategy. Which principle focuses on employee empowerment? Is it A, participative management, B, autocratic leadership, C, laissez-faire approach, or D, micromanagement? The correct answer is A, participative management. What term describes a systematic approach to problem solving? Is it A, brainstorming, B, trial and error, C, root cause analysis, or D, guesswork? The correct answer is C, root cause analysis. What operational philosophy prioritizes adaptability? Is it A, flexible manufacturing system, B, mass production, C, lean manufacturing, or D, just-in-time production? The correct answer is A, flexible manufacturing system. What methodology captures customer feedback? Is it A, market trends report, B, voice of the customer, C, focus group analysis, or D, customer satisfaction survey? The correct answer is B, voice of the customer. Which approach focuses on cost, quality, and time? Is it A, resource allocation, B, project management cycle, C, triple constraint, or D, iron triangle? The correct answer is C, triple constraint. What type of mapping helps analyze workflows? Is it A, process map mapping, B, data mapping, C, flow charting, or D, mind mapping? The correct answer is A, process mapping. What strategy aims to enhance user experience? Is it A, waterfall model, B, design thinking, C, agile methodology, or D, SEO optimization? The correct answer is B, design thinking. Which technique uses data to improve accuracy? Is it A, descriptive statistics, B, predictive analytics, C, random sampling, or D, data scrubbing? The correct answer is B, predictive analytics. What term describes outsourcing non-core functions? Is it A, core competencies, B, business process outsourcing, C, service level agreement, or D, supply chain management? The correct answer is B, business process outsourcing. Which operational strategy enhances supply chain transparency? Is it A, supply chain isolation, B, inventory minimization, C, supply chain visibility, or D, demand forecasting? The correct answer is C, supply chain visibility. What method evaluates a product's life cycle? Is it A, cost-benefit analysis, B, market trends analysis, C, environmental impact report, or D, life cycle assessment? The correct answer is D, life cycle assessment. Which approach promotes sustainable practices? Is it A, eco-disposal methods, B, profit maximization, C, wasteful production, or D, sustainable operations? The correct answer is D, sustainable operations. What principle encourages quick prototyping? Is it A, Agile Manifesto, B, lean manufacturing, C, waterfall development, or D, rapid prototyping? The correct answer is D, rapid prototyping. Which strategy minimizes risks in projects? Is it A, resource allocation, B, rapid execution, C, cost reduction, or D, risk management? The correct answer is D, risk management. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.